Hey everyone, it's Hannah here with Gear Grabber, and if you're looking to make passive income online, you're in the right place. Let's talk affiliate marketing, a proven way to generate revenue by partnering with brands and promoting their products. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just taking your first steps online, this guide will provide you with actionable strategies to unlock your earning potential through affiliate marketing. Stick around, because I'm sharing insider tips and proven tactics that have helped me generate millions in revenue, and they can work for you too. Let's get started. Look, I can't stress this enough. Picking the right niche is the foundation of your entire affiliate marketing journey. It's not just about what's popular, it's about finding that sweet spot where your passions, knowledge, and audience demand intersect. What are you genuinely interested in? Maybe it's outdoor gear, tech gadgets, sustainable living. That passion will fuel your content creation and resonate with your audience. But passion alone isn't enough. We need to make sure there's a market for it. Use keyword research tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush to see what people are searching for. Look at the competition. Are there established players, or is it a blue ocean opportunity? The more specific your niche, the less competition you'll face. Finally, consider the earning potential within your chosen niche. Are there high-ticket products you can promote as an affiliate? What are the average commission rates? These are all crucial factors to evaluate before you dive in. With your niche locked in, it's time to find the perfect affiliate programs to partner with. Start by exploring reputable affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and CJ Affiliate. These platforms offer a wide variety of products and services to promote, giving you plenty of options. When evaluating programs, pay close attention to commission structures. Do they offer one-time payouts or recurring commissions? Higher commission rates are always attractive, but also consider factors like cookie duration. Most importantly, prioritize products and services that align perfectly with your niche and that you genuinely believe in. Authenticity is key to building trust with your audience and driving conversions. Don't hesitate to reach out directly to companies in your niche and inquire about their affiliate programs. Building direct relationships can lead to exclusive partnerships and higher commission rates. Remember, you're not limited to just one program. Diversifying your affiliate portfolio can create multiple income streams and provide a safety net in case one program changes its terms or commissions. Let's talk about the lifeblood of affiliate marketing: traffic. Without targeted visitors, even the best products are useless. Create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Think blog posts, videos, social media updates, and podcasts. Provide value first and foremost. Educate, solve problems, entertain, make it shareable. Invest in SEO to rank high in search results. Use keywords, optimize speed, and build backlinks. Leverage social media platforms. Share content on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. Engage with followers and run targeted ads. Consistency is key to driving traffic to your affiliate links. In the world of affiliate marketing, knowledge is power. You need to know what's working, what's not, and where to focus your efforts. That's where tracking and analyzing your performance comes in. Utilize powerful tools like Google Analytics to gain insights into your website traffic. See where your visitors are coming from, which pages they're landing on, and how long they're staying. Track your affiliate link clicks using link shortening services like Bitly. This will give you a clear picture of which products and promotions are resonating with your audience. Focus on key performance indicators such as click-through rate, conversion rate, and earnings per click. By monitoring these metrics, you'll identify areas for improvement and optimize your campaigns for maximum profitability. Regularly review your data and make adjustments to your strategies accordingly. Don't be afraid to experiment with different approaches and test what works best for your niche and audience. Remember, data-driven decisions are the foundation of a successful affiliate marketing business. By tracking and analyzing your performance, you'll stay ahead of the curve and maximize your earning potential. Content is king, but engagement is queen. You can have the most informative blog post or the most visually appealing video, but if it doesn't capture your audience's attention and keep them hooked, it won't convert. One of the most effective ways to create engaging content is to infuse it with your personal experiences and stories. People connect with stories. They make your content relatable and memorable. Get ready to embark on an epic journey. Smash that subscribe button and join our community, which is packed with thrilling adventures and endless fun. Embrace the excitement, create lasting memories, and connect with fellow thrill seekers. Adventure awaits, so why wait? Jump in now and let's explore together. Focus on educating your audience, providing valuable insights, and answering their questions. Become a trusted resource in your niche, and they'll be more likely to trust your recommendations. Enhance your content with high-quality visuals and multimedia elements. Images, videos, infographics, and even audio can break up the monotony of text and make your content more engaging. Encourage interaction by asking questions, running polls, and responding to comments. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely they are to remember your content and click on your affiliate links. Remember, creating engaging content is an ongoing process. Experiment with different formats, styles, and approaches to see what resonates best with your audience. In the ever-changing world of online marketing, building an email list remains one of the most effective ways to cultivate a loyal audience and drive consistent affiliate sales. Think of your email list as your own personal marketing channel, a direct line to the people most interested in what you have to offer. Offer valuable lead magnets, free ebooks, checklists, templates, or exclusive content in exchange for email signups. Utilize email marketing services like MailChimp or ConvertKit to segment your audience. Send highly targeted emails that resonate with each subscriber. Craft personalized email sequences that nurture your subscribers and guide them towards your affiliate offers. Focus on products that align with your audience's interests and solve their problems. Building an email list is a long-term investment that can pay off significantly. By nurturing your subscribers and providing value, you'll create a loyal audience that trusts your recommendations. Affiliate marketing is a powerful business model, but it's essential to approach it with integrity and transparency. Building trust with your audience is paramount, and that starts with being upfront about your affiliate relationships. Always disclose your affiliate partnerships clearly and conspicuously on your website, blog posts, social media profiles, and email communications. Provide honest and unbiased reviews of the products and services you promote. Don't just focus on the positives. Highlight any potential drawbacks or limitations so your audience can make informed decisions. Avoid making exaggerated claims or promising unrealistic results. Hype might generate short-term gains but will ultimately erode trust and damage your reputation. Focus on promoting products and services you genuinely believe in and would recommend to your friends and family. Authenticity is key to building lasting relationships with your audience. Remember, ethical practices are not just good for your audience, they're good for your business. By building trust and credibility, you'll create a sustainable affiliate marketing business that thrives in the long run. You've driven traffic to your website, created engaging content, and built an email list. Now focus on optimizing your website for conversions. Think of your website as a storefront. It needs to be visually appealing and easy to navigate. Test layouts, color schemes, and call-to-action placements. A/B testing is crucial. Simplify navigation. Less friction means more engagement. Use social proof like testimonials and reviews. Continuously test, analyze, and refine. Small improvements can boost conversion rates and earnings. Affiliate marketing, like any business venture, comes with challenges and potential pitfalls. By being aware of these common mistakes, you can avoid them and set yourself up for greater success. One of the biggest mistakes affiliate marketers make is over-promoting. Don't bombard your audience with endless affiliate links and sales pitches. Remember, people buy from people they trust and connect with. Avoid spreading yourself too thin by promoting too many products or services. Focus on a select few that align with your niche and that you genuinely believe in. Neglecting your website or content is another common mistake. Regularly update your website with fresh content, optimize for SEO, and ensure your affiliate links are working correctly. Don't ignore your analytics. Track your progress, analyze your data, and make adjustments to your strategies based on what's working and what's not. Finally, stay focused on your niche and avoid chasing every shiny object that comes along. Consistency and specialization are key to long-term success in affiliate marketing. Congratulations! You've learned the fundamentals of affiliate marketing. Now, let's scale up your business. Diversify your income streams. Don't rely solely on affiliate commissions. Create and sell digital products, offer coaching, or launch an e-commerce store. Outsource tasks to focus on strategic initiatives. Update and repurpose your best content to drive traffic. Collaborate with influencers to expand your reach. Scaling is a journey. Keep learning and adapting. Build a sustainable and profitable online empire. There you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge and strategies to launch and grow a successful affiliate marketing business. If you're serious about unlocking your earning potential through affiliate marketing, Take action today. Choose your niche, find the right affiliate programs, create high-quality content, build your email list, and never stop learning and growing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on mastering affiliate marketing. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next.